Now, Lesson 6 wants you to know how to use your lasso tools and how to go in and get them. It's another way of your marquee tools. Marquee tools are good for specific polygon shapes. They're good for the basic geometric shapes, circles, ellipses, squares. You're very specific. If we need to make something more free form, that's where we come into our lasso tools. What we're going to do is we're going to lasso in around the hand here, and then we're going to take that hand, we're going to cut it, and we're going to put it onto a different background. In this case, we're going to put it onto here's just, a cool background. It can be anything. So we're going to take a hearty handshake. This is, hey, we're doing great. We're a good business pen. We're really good at this. All right, we can do this. So here's our Photoshop. We got to get that original hand. Go back to, yeah, there we go, 1. Now in the lesson, he uses the polygon lasso tool. You can use that. I know why he used it, because it allows you to go in and get in a little closer and modify if you mess up when you're doing a selection. Personally, the polygon is not my favorite. I actually prefer the magnetic lasso. If you come here, there's your regular lasso, and this is where I could draw, maybe I need to draw a triangle. Maybe I need to draw an octagon. Some crazy, just normal, shape. There it is. And just like when I do the marquee tool, it's going to select everything that's within that area. Polygon, it does a pretty decent job. You need kind of a steady hand to go for it, and then you have to get in there and go for it. I don't like it, so I'm going to escape out, and I'm going to deselect that because I don't have it. I'm going to use my personal favorite, the magnetic lasso tool, and so that I can show you this, I'm not going to take as much time as I would if I was doing this for real. I'm going to do it really quickly. Notice how it's snapping. That's the best thing about the magnetic lasso tool. The problem is you have to zoom in and still take a little more time, and which I'm not doing because I don't want to run out of time for creating this lesson. I'm limited to my time frame, so I'm just going to do a really quick selection. Select the hand, select the hand, select the hand. Magnetic lasso tools are great. Great tool, good friend. It's good for quick fixes. And see, I got off, and so now I'm going to have a little funky arm here. See, it's all selected. Now I want just the hand, so I can come here and I can move it and subtract it. Or I can do what I prefer to do, cut and paste, so that they're two separate layers so that I don't know what I'm messing with. And I'm going to get rid of that layer. I have just the hands now. I didn't take my time, so it's kind of messed up. And I'm kind of running short on time, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick crop to hide the part that I messed up. Now, I'm going to go to the internet, and I'm going to go Google Images, and I'm just going to find some kind of cityscape. It could be whatever. City, and just call it cityscape. That's actually kind of cool. That'll work. Oh no, here we go. Future cityscape. I want to print. I want to look at it. There we go. Okay, so here's my cityscape. Take it, drag it, and drop it over here so it's another layer. Remember, you can do the edit transform. You can do that free transform. I'm going to actually free transform it because I want it to take up the area. I'm not really worried about it being that. Eyeball on, eyeball off. Now, if the layer's in the wrong order, I simply switch the order. Now I have my handshake over to cityscape. There it is. That's it, essentially. Now, I should have taken more time, because when I take my zoom and I zoom in here, oh, come on, zoom in, there it is. See, I've got that information right here. Now I need to go back and clean that up, and I need to clean it manually because I messed up. I got some stuff I didn't need to get. Oops, why did it do that? Because I had the wrong layer selected. Make sure you got the right layer that you want to work on. And I'm going to have to come in here and I'm going to have to do some extra work. And I'm going to have to erase or trim, or go in and maybe use my polygon and cut out some more with my lasso tool. You take your time when you're doing it. That magnetic lasso will grab it, and then you can put it on top of it. This right now is very choppy. It's not the best work. It's not good. It takes a little bit longer. But it's enough to demo and show you how the lasso tool works. Congratulations.